Hi everyone, a warm welcome to each and everyone to my channel. Today I am here for informing a job notification from a renamed company that is under the Government of India. Hindustan Copper Limited HCL offers a career opportunity, and this opportunity is for the Indian citizen who have passed their ITI, they are graduate, they are obviously BTech degree, and obviously some class 10 and class 12 candidates also applicable for this job. So in this video I am going to discuss in details who can apply, that means the eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria is divided in the two parts. Number one is education qualification and another one is the age with age relaxation, and with some application mode, application fees, how you can apply, and the total registration process, and also the PDF notification PDF is also I am here described. So if you interested, then see this video till the end. And one thing is that if you have any queries, you can write in my comment section below, and what type of job notification do you want, obviously inform me writing in my comment section below. And also the total number of vacancy and the post also I am going to describe here. So if you are interested to see this video, and if you have any interest, and then you have to see this video till the end. So guys, mainly the company is Hindustan Copper Limited, which is actually from the Rajasthan. They have published a job notification around 290 vacancies only for the post of trade apprenticeship. Now come here the point, education qualification, which is the one part of the eligibility criteria, isn't it? So in that case, if we go to the education qualification, that is class 10 plus 2, that means class 12, and also ITI candidates can applicable for this job, and this is mainly trade apprenticeship. So electrical, electronics, and some mechanical degree holder ITI candidate must be preferable for this post. And one thing is that in this position, total 290 posts vacancies are out here, and in case of academic qualification, the educator must be class 10 or class 12. Now come here, how to apply. In that case, you must be, if you are eligible for this post, you must advise to register as a trade apprentice online in the following portals. I will mention all the links in my description box, just check this. So when you are going to apply, first you have to register on the portal www.apprenticeshipgovernment.in, and after that you are going to the official site, and then you are applicable, and one applicant, only one application. According to that format, you must click the www.hindustancopper.com, where you can get the application format and go there and apply for this particular job. And one thing is that the age limitation here, minimum 18 to maximum 30 years old candidate can apply for this particular job. And one thing is that according to the age relaxation government rule, the SC/ST candidate have the 5 years, and OBC candidate has the 3 years. Age relaxation is permissible here. And go to the link, check the notification, and also you can check my PDF, which I will describe later in my video. So guys, come to the PDF. I am describing the link in my description box, and if you click, you can get the notification PDF, where you can find out this page, that is online application. You can find so guys, I have already mentioned the link in my description box. Just click the link and you can find out the advertisement notification, where you can see that is online application are invited from 10th July 2020 from the citizen of India for the undergoing training at the Khetri Copper Complex and Hindustan Copper Limited has released the job notification. The main part is that the trade apprenticeship has coming out, but here that is divided in the different trade and training duration, and the number of seats are also described here according to the SC, ST, OBC castes, and then academic qualification, and obviously some positions mentioned here. So first of all, that is mate, mines, blaster, diesel, mechanics, fitter, turner, weld and gas, electrician, electronic machines, such type of, and where draftsman and also some computer operator, program assistant are also released here, and where the different trade has the different training duration, and the seats also mentioned in this portion. So the total number of vacancy, that is 290. Now prescribed qualification eligibility criteria, depending upon the different trades, you must have some different degree. Age I have also mentioned here. Here you can get, that is period of apprenticeship training indicated against the respective trade in the before table. Here also stipend mentioned, that is, and this is the selection method. This is the most important portion, that is how you should be selected, that is it is based on the merit basis. Okay, so if you are completing your 10th or ITI or 10 plus 12 degree, then the weightage of the 30% of marks scored in the relevant trade in ITI and weightage of the 70% shall be given to the marks scored in 10th board. Okay, like that. And after that, that means this is basically merit basis selection process, and those candidates who are selected, then that is stands for the physical fitness. That means there's some medical checkup, and in that case both male or female candidate should be applicable. And this is the how to apply. So I have already told that first you have to go and register this link, and then online submission of application at Hindustan Copper Limited website, you may apply for this job. That is, this is the link, hindustancopper.com. Okay, and if you have any queries related this video, you ask me, comment in my comment box, and here some general instructions. Please go through it, that how to apply, what should be your passport size photo or photo color, photograph size. Okay, with the online applications you have to send some CVs and some certificates, how the procedure, what is the actual format. If you go to the instructions, that should be cleared for you. Okay, this is the key dates, that means the online applications which has already started from 10th July. Cut-off date for age qualification 10th July 2020. Online application closing date, that is 25th July 2020. And publication of shortlisted candidate lists, those who are selected for this post, that is 10th August 2020. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and if you have any queries, please write in my comment section below. And if you are fond of this type of content, then also inform me that what type of content do you want, because my channel is related about the job notifications, either government or private or home based job, and also some tips and tricks how to crack exam, and also some engineering tutorial. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, take care, goodbye, and keep supporting my channel by subscribing my channel. Thank you.